Oh, heat, baby. Oh, feed it to me, why don't you? Why don't we dance? Why don't we disco dance, baby? The eternal, everlasting, holy music. The music of heaven, of God, of the good times, for this life and the next. Oh, disco. Oh, Marona mia disco. Oh. I hope you're doing fine. I hope you're doing wonderful. I hope you're discoing. If you remember last week, I uploaded a video yesterday, but I uploaded a video last week and I was screaming, saying, I'm not saying GDX will bottom. I say it will take off. You may look back and look at my video. I said it will take off. I said GDX will take off. GDX and gold. Oh my baby. I live off of this. Okay, I hope you're doing fine. But please, before I start, like if you like, share and subscribe, please. Please don't make me stay in the dark. Please. This is UUP, the ETF $4 bull, and definitely this is gap and go. This is gap and go for UUP. The dollar is going down. Definitely is going down. Now we are definitely in gap and go and bearish disco combo, which is extremely beautiful for gold and gold miners. This is amazing, amazing. And if you look at the weekly time frame, with few exceptions, the chances of a gold rally now is 99.999%. We're gonna have a beautiful rally for the rest of July. Okay, with the exception of Russian war and China trade war. Beside that, almost 100% of the time in the past, we had gold rally whenever UUP or USD give this bearish disco combo on the weekly time frame. Good deal. I'm really happy. I'm not gonna lie. I'm proud of myself. I really am. This is TLT. As I stated before, and I tweeted to the two people that follow me on Twitter, that we did find buyers at the buyer zone, and up we went for this beautiful area for the buyers. And every time stochastic gets back over 20, after sometimes below 20, an up leg takes place in TLT, and we only starting here, as I said. This happened 100% of the time. And as I stated last week, that TLT found buyers at the lower end of the bull in Japan in the weekly time frame. I think this is the 10-day moving average, isn't it? No, it's the 20-day moving average. We'll find out. As I stated that in my video, and I said it's 100% of the time in the past, when you have a pipe formation like that in the Bollinger Band for TLT, the buyers gather at the lower end of the Bollinger Band and they take it to at least the mean reversion of 20-day moving average. I suspect they're going to go all the way to 107. And by that time, we will have a bullish disco combo in the weekly time frame. It's almost 100%. Okay, good deal. Based on the UUP DXY bearish disco combo in the weekly time frame. Okay, good deal. This is the yen, and as I stated, time and time again, this is my baby. This is my sweetheart. This is my guiding star to gold. And I said we concluded the 5 waves down, and we broke out. We broke out in the yen before we broke out in anything, in the dollar, in anything. So this is my guiding star, and we did conclude it And as I stated, we are definitely now in a third wave. We registered that in a bullish disco combo in the daily time frame. In the daily time frame for and now in the weekly time frame we have the stochastic coming out at 20, and every time this happens, a price expansion to the upside take place for the yen, and definitely a gold rally 100% of the time in the past. Yes, sir. GLD, we had gap and go from this mini head and shoulder right here. Gap and go with bullish disco combo in the daily time frame. In the weekly time frame, we have the stochastic coming out at 20, and it's the same. I don't have to repeat myself. Something really beautiful happened after that 100% of the time for gold in the weekly time frame. SLV, gap and go with beautiful disco combo. I think the weekly, oh Madonna mia Sacramento, Santa Lucia. Oh yeah, I don't have to repeat myself with SLV. GDX, I tweeted this yesterday, and we almost hit the target of the 162 Fibonacci extension. 1, 2, 3. We might retrace in a mini fourth wave, then up we go after that. I think 32.72 is game. 32.72 is game. I think it is. I know it is. So we definitely registered third wave in GDX. And as I stated before, it was easier for me to do the 5 waves in GDXJ. And if you noticed my tone, I was really confident. And I have nothing but confidence. If I don't have confidence, I cannot make money. It is definitely a psychological game, and if I don't believe in myself, no one would, and I would never make money. So as I stated, beautiful 5 waves down, and 1, 2, 1, 2, and I was screaming last week that I don't think GDX and GDX have bottomed like I did the week before. I said we will take off. We will have very amazing third wave, and that's what we had, and I'm proud of myself. I really am, and no one is proud of me. I have to support myself. No one supports me at all. No one. I have to support myself. I have to remind myself that I'm good enough. I am good enough. I am good enough. I always have to remind myself this, because nobody tell me that. Okay, so we have a bullish disco combo in the GDXJ as well. Beautiful 5 waves, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. I'm really excited. I'm really happy. It's not because of the money I made in the last 2 weeks. No, it's because of the confidence I have in myself, and I have no support in the social media at all, nor in YouTube. So it's good for me to support myself and scream that I'm good enough. I really am. I really, really am. Thank God. And the same is true with GDX in a weekly time frame. Every time this happens, the stochastic comes out of 20 in a weekly time frame with the RSI over 50. An amazing rally happened. What is the percentage? 100% of the time, as I always stated, 100% of the time. Please like, please like, please like, please share, please subscribe. Please remember, disco is forever.